want them here. All they're doing is this. Okay, none of this business. Okay? I'm gonna throw my old stuff at you.
I have some money with my dad. I was down there.
Yeah, you gonna go down?
Yeah, right now.
Okay, I'll see you down there in a minute.
What time is it?
It's probably almost noon, I would think.
Can you send another one?
Marcus!
Ow, my heel.
Here, don't lose it.
How did it feel?
It is.
Huh?
We're gonna go have a cookie.
I'm gonna.
Jared, I'm just telling the kids now to start cycling in for their bite to eat. It's getting close to 12. They've had a long morning of not doing much.
That sounds good. We can stay out here and wait up food so we're good.
Yeah, absolutely we do. I just need to find some tissue paper for my nose.
Hey, Owen, where are you gonna go? You wanna go upstairs? Wanna go upstairs to the cafeteria?
To where?
Upstairs to the cafeteria?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, I'll meet you up there. Well, I'll bring the video in. We can watch it.
I'm turning my shoulders the wrong way.
Stick that landing.